Hey, this is Akash again. So, we are talking about today workspaces. In the previous video, we set up the Active Directory, AWS one, not the on-prem. So, once we go to the workspace, we will go one by one. Workspaces are the virtualized desktop environment, which is provided by the Amazon Workspaces option. If you go into the search, you will get this option here. Yep, it is here. This one, desktop into the cloud, the workspaces. Let's create workspace. Create workspace. Again, we need a new directory, or if we have the authentication method available, then we need to select it. Next. The second option is create user. This user will be your, you know, the user in your Active Directory, or a user which is AWS space. It is an optional option. If you have already AWS space users, you can add them and invite them. So let's create users. Let me create test one, and let me add my details. Okay, next. So you will get the invitation on your email address about this user, and here is the user, or you can create something new. We have already test one. So welcome is the username, and same the details we have. Next. Okay, it's now created. So we get invitation, and we can reset the password there on the invitation level. Next. Now we need to choose what kind of machine we require, Linux, or what kind of machine. So here is a to thing we need to know. If we require any customized image, then we need to contact AWS, and we can use BYOL, bring your own license option. However, these are the default images. So let me choose the free one, free tier. Let me go and select Windows. Okay, free tier. Okay, public bundle. Okay, any software, any protocol. We will discuss these two protocols later. So let me select any of them. Select this one, Windows 10 22 base. Next. Always auto stop. If you are not using it, it will stop within 1 hour. You can tag it. Next. Encryption level you can add, or user volume you can customize from here. So we are using minimum. Okay. Okay. We are creating two machines. One for welcome, one for test one. Okay. Let me choose the volume here as well for the second user. Okay, it is already there. Next. So directory we are using Active Directory. This is, and two users we are creating, two workspace we are creating, and once this workspace created, we will get an email on this email address, and we need to reset our passwords. This is an invitation, and these are the configuration. So let's create it. Okay, it will take time. So once this will create it, we will discuss on next video how to configure the workspace credential and other information. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.